Oh, hey everybody, it's Adam with Gallie Electric, and I'm here at the office. Everything is really moving fast. Now that Beryl has strengthened to a Category 5, we see that it's important to be prepared earlier this year. So procrastination will lead to nothing but disappointment. So we're asking you to reach out. We're asking you to take advantage of the offer we have going. We are giving a free 10-year extended warranty, as well as a 4G LTE device and one maintenance visit. Well, we've decided to extend this offer through the hurricane season. So we want you prepared. We want you to give us a call. We can come out, do an in-home consultation, see if one of these Generac home standby generators is right for you. So don't delay, give us a call. Also, if you have a Generac home standby generator that needs maintenance, give us a call. Let's get the battery checked. Let's get everything ready so that if we're hit earlier this year, we're all in good shape. All right, thank you. Give us a call and we'll see you soon.